Now students, today we are going to see the standard 9th, that is lesson number 2, work and energy, its problem, how to solve the given problem. So first problem is there, you can see on page number 29 in your textbook. An electric pump has 2 kilowatt power. How much water will the pump lift every minute to a height of 10 meters? So what is given? One second we'll read the problem, then we'll get. An electric pump has 2 kilowatt power. So power is given to you 2 kilowatt. Now students, 2 kilowatt means 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. So we'll get it's 2000 watt. Okay. Then what is your next? How much water will pump lift every minute to a height of 10 meters. Height means it's given to you their distance, that is S is equal to 10 meter. And every minute means time is given to you, that is a 60 seconds, because we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So now we know the formula. What is that? P is equal to W upon T. So now here we can consider W is equal to P into T. So what is here your W? We have to find out it. W is equal to power 2000. Time is there 60 seconds. So multiply it. You will get 1020 joule. Okay, we got here work. Now here we have to find the mass. For mass we have to consider here kinetic energy is equal to mgh. Okay, because here given the g means acceleration due to gravity, and we know g's value is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So we will put here value m as it is. G's value 9.8. Kinetic energy means we are going to consider this work done. We'll get it 1,20,000 joule is equal to m into 9.8, and height, that h means height is there 10 meter. So what we'll get here now, you can consider like this: 1,20,000 joule is equal to 9.8 multiplied by 10, we'll get here 98, and here we'll get the m. So how to find this now mass? Here you should know the multiplication. Now here 1,20,000 divided by 98. So here 98 ones are 98. So what will you get here? If you subtract, you will get 22. So here one more zero we have taken. We got here 220. 98 twos are 196. You have to make here a table. You can write it. Then here you will get 24. One more zero. So we will get here 240. Again 98 twos are. We'll get 196. Then subtract it. What will you get here? 44. That take 0. 98 fours are. What will you get? 98 fours are 392. So you will get here 480. Means here decimal point we have to consider. Then we will get same thing. Then 98 fours are, again we will get same thing. That is a 392. Okay, so now here 392, then what will we get here? 88. So after decimal point we can take the 0, 880. So what will we get now? Now here 98 8s are. What will we get? 778. 78, then we will subtract this, and then we will get the further number. So we are going to consider m is equal to 1224.48. After the second is there 8, so it is more than 5. We are going to consider there 5. So mass is equal to, we'll get 1224.5 kg. So like this we can solve this problem number 1. Okay students, now we'll see the second problem. If a 1200 watt electric iron is used daily for 30 minutes, how much total electricity is consumed in the month of April? Now once again read the problem. What is given there? If a 1200 watt electric iron is used daily for 30 minutes, how much total electricity is consumed in the month of April? So now here what is given again? For second problem we are going to write power is given that 1200 watt. Okay, now here it's no need to convert into the their watts, because already it's given in the watt only. Okay, in first problem we have done because it was given in the kilowatt. Now second thing, for 30 minutes, time is given to you 30 minutes. So 30 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds we know. So we'll get 1800 seconds. Okay. Then in month of April how many days are there? Month of April. You should know these days. So month of April there are 30 days. What is it? 30 days. What we have to find here now? You can see there how much total electricity is consumed in the month of April. So here we got the already time 1800 second, then we got the power 1200 watt, and month of April is given 30 days. So we know the formula. What is that formula? Can you tell? Power is equal to, or work done. We have to take work done into power into time. How we are writing? Power is equal to work done upon time by this formula. Okay. So we are going to now exchange this formula here. What will get? Work done we have to find. W is equal to power 1200. Okay. Multiplied by how many seconds first? 1800 seconds. And how many days? 30. So we are going to write like this 30. Okay. Now 1200 multiplied by 1800 into 30. So here how many zeros we will write as it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then now we should know the 18 threes are 54. 18 threes are 54, and 54 into 12 if you do, then what will get the answer? 54 twos are 108. So we upside it will go 10, and 54 ones are 54 plus 10 64. So we'll get here, you can read this number, it is a 80,000. Okay, or 8 lakh. Here you can see this is a unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and this crore. 6 crore 48 lakh. Okay, this we got into the, if you write into joule. Okay, but we know that 1 unit is equal to, what is it? 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. So now we have to divide this number by this. So 6 crore 48 lakh divided by 3.6. Now here 10 raised to 6 is there, here 5 zeros are there. Okay, so we are going to convert this, here one more zero, we will get here 36. What will we get? 36, and then this is your zeros and this will be cancelled, and then 648 divided by 36. Here you can divide it, 648 divided by 36. 36 ones are 36. Subtract this. What will you get? 4 minus 6, it's possible not. 14 minus 6, 8. Here what will be remainder? 5 minus 3, 2, and then 36 8s are. You can do this multiplication, division, you will get answer, and in that month total electricity will be used there 18 units. How much? 18 units. Okay, so we are going to see the third problem. That what is the problem? If the energy of a ball falling from a height of 10 meters is reduced by 40%, how high will it rebound? If energy of ball falling from a height of 10 meters, height is given to you, suppose 10 meter, that is displacement we are going to write, and then what is there? It's reduced by the 40% energy of ball. Suppose we are going to consider their first energy of ball is equal to 100%. Energy of ball is equal to 100%, and then it's reduced by 40%. That time height was 10 meter. Now what will you get here? Subtraction. Now remaining energy or subtraction of it. So remaining energy is equal to 100 minus 40, you will get. Now while there energy there 60%, then height, so we can take 60 upon 100 multiplied by 10. So this will be cancelled. Then this, what will be there? 6 meter. So rebound height will be there, how much? 6 meter. Understood? So we will get like this answer. Now here we are going to see the question number 4, that is a D1. The velocity of car increases from 54 km h to the 72 km per hour. How much is the work done if the mass of the car is 1500 kg? So mass of car, you have to write like this. Mass of car is equal to 1500 kg. Okay, now next thing, what is given there? Velocity of car increases from 54 km/h to the 72 km. So here we will get initial velocity of car. So what will get initial velocity of car? 54 km/h. Now here final velocity is given to, because it increases, so final velocity of car will get 72 km/h. So now see students, here mass of car is given in kg and this is given in the we'll see this initial velocity of the car is given in the km/h. We have to convert into meter per second. We have to convert into meter per second. So we know that. So 54 kilometer means how much? 54,000 meters. 54,000 meters. And then seconds, r is there means 60 multiplied by 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and within 1 hour 60 So now here once again see students, so mass of car is there 1500 kg, initial velocity of car is given there 54 km/h, final velocity of car is there 70 km/h. Here see it's given in the kg, but this velocity is given in the km/h. We have to convert into meter per second. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so here I directly written 54,000, because 54 multiplied by 1000 we got the 54,000. Then 1 hour, we know that 1 minute is there 60 seconds, within 1 hour there 60 minutes are there, so 60 into 60, this 0 cancel, this 0 we can get 6 1s are 6, 6 9s are 54. Now here this 0 remain, so 90, 6 1s are 6, 15 6s are 90. So what will you get there? Initial velocity of car, you can write like this: initial velocity of car, that is a u, is equal to what? That 15 meter per second. For final velocity also we have to write like this: final velocity v is equal to, same we can write 72,000 divided by 60 into 60, this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6, here you will get 12 6 are 720. So here we will get 6 1s are 6 and it will get 26 are 120. So final velocity will get 20 meter per second. So here next thing we have to take, what is it? Kinetic energy. What is it? Kinetic energy. So kinetic energy equal to, what is the formula? 1/2 mv square. So here we got there two velocities, so we'll write v minus u bracket square, or you can write v minus u bracket square. So 1/2 into 1500 multiplied by v square, you can take directly, means 20 square minus 15 square. So here you will get half into 1500 multiplied by 20 square is there 400 minus 15 square is there 225. So what will you get? Subtract this 175. Okay, so then 2, you will get 750 multiplied by 175, and here you will get a final multiplication, that is a 1,31,250 joule. This will be our, what is here asked, that your how much the work done. So work done will get a 1,31,250 joule. Now see, last example, Ravi applied a force of 10 Newton and moved a book 30 centimeters in the direction of the force. How much was the work done by Ravi? Now see, Ravi applied a force of 10 Newton. Means what he has applied? Force F is equal to 10 Newton. Okay, and how much displacement is there? S is equal to 30 centimeter. Now, how much was the work done? So for work done, we have to use Fs into. Now it's given there one simple thing there, in the direction of the force, means Fs cos theta we have to use because of this, because here given the direction, and when force and displacement is the same direction, that time that force that work done is the positive, and their angle is formed theta is equal to how much it will be there? Can you tell me? Theta is equal to 0 degree, and then cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So W is equal to F is 10. Then you will get the 30 into 1. So here what we get answer final. So here first this is given in the centimeter. Here one thing remains that I am telling again. It's given in 30 centimeters. So we have to convert into in meters. We'll get 0.3 meter, and then 10 into 0.3 multiplied by 1 we will get 3 joule. So like this we have to find the here answer.